One of the key bits of equipment I use as a content creator is a microphone to try and get much better audio than a camera will provide. And you might have seen little boxes clipped onto me like this. This is the Rode Wireless Go. So when I was approached to test a lower cost competitor version, the KimaFun, I was very interested to see how it performed, especially because it came with a lapel mic, and that's what I'm using right now. Kindly sent to me for review by KimaFun. This comes in a really nice carry case, and when you open it up, you've got everything you need to get started. You get a transmitter, a receiver, a cable for your camera, a cable for your mobile if it supports it, a charging cable, USB charging cable, the wind protectors, and also a lapel mic, which I wasn't expecting, and I was really pleased to find, as I've not had a lapel mic with one of these transmitter receiver sets before. There's 2 units in the one that I've been sent, but looking at the case, it appears you might be able to get a set that has 3, as it's got a cutout especially for a third one. The units are both very lightweight. The receiver has a small screen on it which shows you the battery level and that the transmitter's connected. You plug it in to your device with one of the included cables. I have the Rode Wireless Go, and the screen on that is a little bit better, but it's also quite a bit more expensive than this set. So the little screen does the job. You only really need it to check that everything's working okay. The wind protector works in much the same way as other units of this type. It sort of rotates and clips on. It's a little bit fiddly, but let's see if it does the job. So I've come outside. It's a very windy and noisy day. I've got the microphone on. It's got the little dead cat on, which should hopefully reduce any wind noise, so it'll be interesting to hear what you make of that. And of course the beauty of these wireless mics is because there is no wire, I can just wander off and I can still talk to camera. So you could either have a static shot like this, or you could have someone following you around as you're walking, and you don't have to worry about being in range of an on-camera mic or worrying about wires to the camera. I've used these kind of mics quite a lot, and I find them a lot more convenient. So if these can save you a bit of money and the sound quality is good, then they're definitely worth considering over something like the Rode Go system. So now I've got the little lapel mic on. This comes included with it. It's really windy again. It has its own little anti-wind muffler, little dead cat, maybe it's a dead kitten. I don't know if it's called something different. But what I'm hoping is that the sound quality stays just as good, even though I'm using a lapel mic. One thing I much prefer about this is you don't have to have the giant box up here, and that can be quite awkward, and especially if you're just wearing like a t-shirt or something, it can pull down on your clothing, whereas now I've just got it clipped on me and the mic running, so it's a little bit more discreet as well. But again, I can still move around. I've got all the advantages of a wireless mic, but it's a little bit more discreet. It's just hidden under my clothing, but hopefully still retains really great sound quality, which isn't affected by this really big gust of wind. But I won't know that till I play it back. What do you think? Is this a good recording? I was so impressed with these little mics, I took them with me on a job, and here we have a demo of just the camera and then the mic, so you can hear the difference.
Okay, just go for it. Okay, my name is Shane Lee. I'm a personal trainer, and I'm here to get you guys to that next level strength and fitness. Hi there, my name's Shane Lee. I'm a personal trainer, and I'm here to get you guys to that next level strength and fitness.
You're probably wondering why I'm sat here holding 2 microphones up, and that's because it wouldn't be right to mention the Rode Go without giving it a fair chance to compare the audio. So I'm recording on both of these, and I'll keep flicking between them so you can hear a comparison. I ended up using the KimaFun with the clients that you saw earlier, and you also saw what a massive difference that made. That was a DJI Osmo we were using to film, and the onboard microphone wasn't great, but as soon as we plugged in the KimaFun, the sound quality was fantastic. I wouldn't have any problems at all having these KimaFuns as my main microphones. I think they're really good, and I really like the fact that you get a little bit extra with it in terms of a nicer carrier case and the lapel mic, which does make a big difference. One thing I dislike about these, the Go's, is having to have the box on me. I could buy a lapel mic, but the nice thing is that this one comes with them. There's an affiliate link to this in the description below, but if you're shopping around for microphones for your mobile, you might want to check out this video about the Smart Mic. I'll see you over there.